Here is an amazing deal on a 2018 ROV by Passport 170 RK-RV. With its lightweight aluminum and fiberglass structure, the ROV only weighs 3,000 pounds and can be towed with small trucks, SUVs, and even a minivan. Exterior features include a power tongue jack, awesome exterior storage, outdoor speakers, awning with LED lighting, premium aluminum wheels, 4-point stabilizer jacks, rear hitch for bike racks, outdoor shower, and front and rear windows. The ROV also features LED exterior lighting. Entering, you have hydraulic assisted entry door, and a spacious rear kitchen floor plan with amazing counter space, inset stove, stainless steel sink, gas and electric refrigerator, and a microwave. Here we have a dinette featuring overhead storage with modern designs and a collapsible storable table. At the front of the coach, you'll find a queen bed, a closet space, Bluetooth radio, and everyone's favorite television, and it's already mounted. This RV is fully self-contained and features overhead AC. MSRP on the ROV is $20,458. The Robbins sale price is $13,900. Come visit us at 1300 Northeast Lincoln Road in beautiful Idabel, Oklahoma, or give us a call at 580-286-6551. If you're outside the local calling area, you can call us at 866-286-6551.